friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is a sweet and crunchy cookie, an all-time favorite. Can you all guess it? Yes, it is choco chip cookie. And I am going to show you in the easiest and quickest way with some tips and tricks. So let's have a look into the ingredient list now. The first ingredient we need is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Next we need half cup of white sugar. Next I need 1 cup of brown sugar. This brown sugar is particularly very dark in color, which is a sign that it has a lot of molasses, and that is exactly what we need for a good choco chip cookie. And I have taken out exactly 1 cup of brown sugar. Measurements are a key ingredient in this recipe, so you have to be careful with it. And here I have exactly 1 cup. Next I need 2 eggs and about 2 cups of choco chips, but you can be definitely generous with it. You can add a little bit more if you want to. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and next I need 1 cup of butter at room temperature. And if you didn't know, there is a measurement right here which shows 100 grams, 200 grams and so on. So for 1 cup of measurement, we exactly need 200 grams of butter. So I'm going to cut it in between from here. So I've already poured my room temperature butter into a mixing jar. Next I'm going to add in the white sugar and brown sugar and mix all of them together well. So keep mixing it well till the butter and the sugar comes together, and with the help of a spatula keep scraping the sides also. My butter and sugar has almost come together. I'm going to mix it for another minute or 2. My sugar and butter is well mixed now, and now I'm going to add in the eggs one at a time. Now we'll add in the second egg. And mix it well again. Next I'll add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder to my flour and give it a mix. And we'll start adding the flour to the butter mixture. But before that, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and give another quick mix. And now I'm going to gradually add in the flour to the mixture, a little at a time. I'll add in some more flour. So my cookie dough is ready, and now the final part of adding choco chips. You can be as generous as you want, but around 2 cups is what is usually added. So we'll mix the choco chips along with the cookie dough now. And now we'll start forming the cookie balls. For that we'll take small portions in our hand and roll it into a ball-like shape like this. The amount I use today would make approximately 20 cookies. So I've already lined my baking tray with a baking paper, and then I have put in 8 cookie doughs in it, 8 cookie balls in it, and they are ready to go in the oven. And for that I have already preheated my oven at 250 for 5 minutes, and now I'm going to bake them for at least 12 to 15 minutes or till the edges start turning slightly brownish in color. For the next set of choco chip cookies, I added some extra choco chips on top so that they look exactly like that of the store-bought ones. So here are my choco chip cookies all ready, and as you can see the edges are slightly brown but they are still pretty soft. They need to cool down before you serve them, and you can rest them in the baking dish itself. And the fluffiness that has arrived in the cookies is because of the brown sugar that we added. You can make them with plain white sugar also, but then the cookies will be completely flat and they won't have this elevation that it has now. So my choco chip cookies are ready. They are still pretty warm, but I'll show you how nice and soft they are, and very moist. My choco chip cookies are ready, and they have a nice crispy outer coating with a chewy inside. This is best served with a glass of warm milk, or you can pop it in your kids' lunchbox to enjoy. And on that note, I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.